market maker Citadel traded over-the-counter stocks for its own accounts in 2012, from 2012 to 2014, while simultaneously delaying client orders for the same shares.
What is going on, Ape Nation? I've got another short clip for you that exposes just how crooked Ken Griffin and Citadel really are. And as always, we're going to get right to the video, but before we do, please go ahead and smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm knows to get this video out to as many apes as possible. And by the way, if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we want you to join our growing ape family.
There is a reason for penalizing a market maker for improperly trading its own accounts ahead of its clients' accounts. Note that I said improperly trading. I don't want to go through the scenario of there being a time for proper trading ahead of accounts. I'd like for you to tell us what that reason is, please.
Well, trading ahead of customer accounts is illegal, and it does not.
I understand that it's illegal. Yeah. I don't mean to be rude, crude, and unrefined, but I have to ask this question quickly. What can happen that can benefit the market maker? How can that be monetized such that the market maker profits greatly from doing it?
Right. If a market maker trades improperly ahead of the own customer accounts, he can get a better price and can move the market in the process depending on how big the trade is, thus hurting the customer.
And if this trade is huge, and you can see that this trade that the client has is huge and will have an impact on the market, how does that benefit the market maker to trade ahead of the client?
The market maker can get a better price for himself before the price changes by the client's trade. He can also engage in self-dealing that way as well.
So does it benefit a huge market maker to have a great deal with, let's say, a Robinhood because of the flow that will be coming through that the market maker can take advantage of?
I don't think that they're necessarily congruent situations. When you're trading ahead of a customer order, which is something that is illegal and that the SEC does monitor for, it's very different from having knowledge as to the way that the market might be moving based on...
I understand, but I want to talk about the circumstance where it's improper, not where it's proper. Remember, we started with improper trading. Here's my point. The market maker Citadel traded over-the-counter stocks for its own accounts in 2012, from 2012 to 2014, while simultaneously delaying client orders for the same shares. And it was fine for this. Citadel has been naughty for some time. In 2014, Citadel faced $800,000 in penalties. 2017, $22.6 million. 2018, $3.5 million. 2020, $97 million. And another 2020 of $700,000. This seems like a lot of money. It is for me, more than $124 million. But over the same period of time, Citadel had revenues generated in the amount of $13.2 billion. It seems to me that the punishment for these improper trades and improper actions, because it wasn't just trading, Citadel also did some other things that were not proper. They misled clients. Seems that the punishment is so small, given the amount of revenue generated over the same period of time. It seems that Citadel has at least an opportunity to build into its cost of doing business paying penalties. And that concerns me. It concerns me that the punishment doesn't seem to deter Citadel. It concerns me because I know of circumstances wherein persons who are not in the market, they do things that are much less harmful, and they can possibly go to jail. So the question that I have is this: what kinds of systems do we have in place, and that's back to you again, ma'am, to prevent the very things that I have called to the attention of my colleagues?
As a former enforcement attorney at FINRA, I can say that regulators have the same concern with fines and other punishments becoming just the cost of doing business. And it's one of the things that are considered along with the regulations around what can be punished.
The gentleman's time
May I, for the record,
has expired. Mr. Green, as you know, we're going to have a series of hearings, and our next panel will include a whole bevy of experts also on some of these issues. With that, Mr. Barr, you're ready.
may I say something in the record, please? I have additional questions.
Without objection, you may enter into the record. Thank you.
While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now. Or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.